Hey guys, it's Jill with Pink Jardin. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back to you. So today I really want to talk about juicing. So today I have two juices that I want to make. One, a green juice with celery, kale. Got some beautiful green kale here, and lime. Then the other is going to be with some carrots, and it can be oranges or tangerine. I just happen to have these little ones because my son likes these and my husband likes them too. And I have some turmeric. Okay, actually I think to this green one we're going to add some ginger, because I'm doing a turmeric, and this one I want to keep this one with kind of the same potency, and a lot of times I do if I have ginger. You know, if you watch me on Instagram, I grow my own ginger and turmeric. So I think I'm going to go and see if I have some ginger ready, and we're going to add a little bit of ginger to this as well. So just so you know, I suffer from inflammation, and it's not good. Some mornings I'm 55, and some mornings I get up, ooh, I have to wear these shoes that do like a reflexology. Ooh, yeah. So, and if I don't do yoga or I don't stretch, I don't get my body moving in the morning, no good. So I like to drink the juice in the mornings. I do like a intermittent fasting, and I like that to be the first thing that goes into my body, to be something clean and that's going to renourish as well as hit that inflammation first thing in the morning and prevent it, right? So, and be anti-inflammatory first thing for the day before I have any tea or coffee or any of that. That's what I want, and I have in the first thing in the morning. So I'll have some in the morning. Sometimes I may have a little shot of green juice in the evening as well. So before, you know, and it helps with digestion. So that's one of the good things. So I may have that. And this orange one is sweet because of the oranges and the carrots. They have their own natural sugars. And so I like that sometimes in the evening. And then what we're going to also use with this one, the orange and the carrots and turmeric, to really activate it, you want to use some black pepper. So I have some black peppercorns that I'm going to grind and add to that as well. So I'm going to get my apron on and let's get started.
First, I like to wash the breads with baking soda and then let it soak and give it a really good mix.
So guys, I'm going to use this mat because when I make juice, I make a mess, even though I'm using a juicer. Sometimes I use a juicer, and sometimes I just use my blender, and then I sieve the pulp, all of the meat of the vegetables, and just drain out the juice. But either way I do it, I make a mess. So to keep my countertops from getting stained, especially with turmeric, listen, that orange and that turmeric and the carrot will mess your countertops up. Make sure you cover your countertops. It doesn't matter if you use a juicer, if you got a big fancy juicer, not so fancy juicer, using a blender, it doesn't matter, right? So use what you have. It all comes out good. All right. This is my juicer. Make sure you have something to catch the juice, okay? Because sometimes I forget to put the thing and I'm like, and I'm making a mess. So make sure you have something to catch the juice. Okay guys, so with the juicing, sometimes I will add coconut water or regular water if I need it. I will add this. but we're gonna see how it goes, and I may not add it.
I'm going to add the carrot tops to the green juice. Okay guys, I am done with the green juice, and now I'm going to pour it into a container and store it in the refrigerator. It usually lasts me about 2 to 3 days. You can pour it into little containers that you can take on the go, but I like to use this tall one.
Alright guys, so next up I'm going to do the carrots, turmeric, and oranges. And then I'm going to add a little bit of pepper into the juice just to activate the turmeric. So we're going to do that. But this is the key for me, is I like to do the carrots first, then remove the excess carrots, the pulp that kicks out of the juicer. And then I will use that to make some carrot cake or carrot muffins. We'll see what I make. I'm probably going to do muffins so that I can put some in my son's lunch. But yeah, do your carrots first and then you can use it. And then any of your pulp that's left over, like if you do the turmeric, if you do it all separately, you can use the turmeric afterwards, dry it, and then make a powder from it. And then the oranges, anything that gets kicked back, you can put it in your garden. It repels bugs. No waste. So yeah, save that goodness. You don't want to get rid of that. Add your pepper. So here you have your two juices. You have the green juice that has the kale, celery, and ginger and lime. Over here we have the carrot with the turmeric and orange. And don't forget to put in a little bit of pepper when you drink it. You can wait until you drink it, or you can add it in now. So that's it, guys. It's that simple. It's messy. It is messy. And depending on the type of juicer that you have, it can jump, it can shake, especially if you are adding big chunks in. There are some really good juicers out there. That's why sometimes I like to use my blender. But either way you do it, and if you know, in your blender especially, if you're using a blender, you will need to use some type of liquid in there. It won't extract the juice like that, so you will need to use some coconut water or regular water or whatever you want to use. But just know if you use a blender, you're going to need to do that. A juicer will extract the juices out, definitely out from it. So yeah, I love it. Look at that. Look at that color. Look at that color. Wait till my husband gets home and he has to drink some. Now that is the real deal. So maybe I will show y'all, because yeah, he's gonna look at me real funny every time. I don't know why, because I make juice all the time and he still tries to fight it, and but he still drinks it because he knows it's good for him. Now he does like the carrot juice because it's sweet. The carrot and oranges, they're sweet, so he likes that. This one tastes like he's eating grass. It tastes like when he's out mowing the grass, it reminds him, because when he's mowing the grass and that grass hits his mouth, that's what it tastes like. But it's so good for you. And if, like I said, if you need a liver, this detox your liver, your everything. Celery, kale, so good, so good. If you wanted to make a really good smoothie, I will leave a tip for that in the description box. You can add this to some blueberries, fire smoothie, and it's so good. It's going to detox your everything, okay? Inflammation, all of it, wipe it out. So good. All right, y'all, until the next video, definitely if you enjoyed this, share it with someone. And also don't forget to like, subscribe. If you're new here, definitely subscribe so we can keep going, keep growing, and growing together. And y'all come back, because I am going to, I think the next video, we're going to actually do another, it's not a juice, but it's a tea. And I'm going to do a hibiscus tea. I love hibiscus tea. It's really good for your blood pressure and just really helps. It's very refreshing, and there are different things that you can do with it. I like making popsicles with it. Sometimes we even make cocktails with it. When I do have a cocktail, or mocktails, makes perfect mocktails. So if you have friends that are over and some are having cocktails, you can make up a batch of that. And some that want a cocktail, is great for a cocktail. And those that don't drink can make a mocktail. So good. And the color is so fire. Like deep, this deep red color, deep velvety red color. Perfect for the holidays. So come on back, and we're going to make some hibiscus tea in the next video. Pull on up to the bar.
Yum.
Don't run, don't run.
So good.
No. Now, done. Did you, wait a minute, I got more than you. I got more than you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Drink it down. You ain't done. No. You ain't done. You're not done.
Not supposed to mix it.
They both dark. And I'm giving you the sweet after the bitter one. You want some too? Come on.
No.
Okay, you go.
No, thank you.
You like this one? This one's sweet.
No, thank you.
Here.
I need to divert my eyes.
The pepper though.
Put pepper in
So delicious.
Wow, you took it to the head, brother.